In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can remove photo background on CapCut. You can simply change your picture background in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your CapCut. On this page, you will have to select any photo to add to your project. Then tap on the Edit button on your bottom left right here. Slide to the very end. Then select the option of Cutout. Tap on Remove Background right here. Your background will get removed successfully. You can decide to add any other background if you wish to. Tap on Customized Cutout to add in other features. That's how easy it is to remove picture background on CapCut. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.